Assemble the fixture. 3 different boards: the small board, the medium board and the large board. Black frame and studs. Screws can be long or short. Note: the difference between the medium plate and the large plate lies in that the large plate is a little larger and has larger holes. Pick up the large board and assemble the studs. Install the studs from the large holes. Install the studs with short screws. Tighten the screw. By analogy, install the 4 screws. After installation, the studs should face upwards. The middle plate and the small plate are stacked on the stud, with the large hole facing upwards. Align the screw positions on it. Spread the clothes flat on the fixture. Smooth it out and tuck in the corners.